my channel. Now today I'm going to be doing a wig unboxing with you guys. It's from a company from Amazon that was nice enough to send me over a unit to unbox for you guys, and the company is from Beeos Hair company. They're on Amazon, and it was nice enough to send me over a unit to review for you guys. So let's get into it. They sent me over a headband. I have like a bunch of these headbands, but I'm still thankful that they sent me over a headband because I use them for myself and my kids' hair. So thank you, Beeos. And then they sent over the manual instructions on how to care for the hair and how to brush the hair. And then I also sent over a wig cap. But I don't use wig caps because if I use wig caps, it gives me headaches and I'll be ready to snatch the wig off. So I don't use wig caps. That's just my preference. What y'all really want to see is the wig. So the wig that they sent over is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. This is a body wave wig, and when I tell you this wig is soft, y'all, this wig is soft. And this is how it look right here. And I'm also happy that it comes with the elastic band, so if you want to do like a glueless wig, you can, or if you want to glue it down how I have this one glued down, you also can do that as well too. The hair is 150 density. It's really skin-like, so you don't have to bleach it, you don't have to do nothing because it's already pre-bleached, and it's very skin-like on your head. So let me show you guys. So this is how it's going to look. So see, I don't have to bleach it. It looks like very skin-like. So that's what they're claiming that this closure is going to be. This wig goes for $189 on Amazon. Once again, I got it from Beeos Hair company on Amazon, and make sure you hit the one that says HD Skinlike lace closure wig in order to get this. But I'll link I'll put the link down in the description. That's what I was trying to say. I put the link down in the description for you guys, so you guys just hit that link and go over and check the hair out. But this hair is like really good, y'all. I can't stop running my hands through it. Like, it's so good. Like, just look at that, and look at the luster on that. Look at the shine. Like, this hair is bomb, you guys. But I'm gonna have to put it to the test. I'll probably go ahead and install it tomorrow before I go to work. Go to work at 12 tomorrow, so I'll probably put it in tomorrow. So I'll have a video up for you guys showing you guys how I put in this baby right here. Hopefully I don't have to do too much to it, but as far as I'm looking at this closure right here, I shouldn't have to do too much. But I just want to say thank you for tuning in today to my unboxing, and I will have this tutorial up on this wig of how I'll install it. I don't know if I'm gonna have it up Sunday, but if not Sunday, I'll have it up sometime next week. But thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, become a part of the family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.